Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, Firenze Red, or Italian Racing Red, pearlescent, if it was a Jaguar. This is a Discovery Sport, Land Rover Discovery Sport. It's a 2.2 SD4 SE Tech, automatic four-wheel drive, 2.2 diesel start-stop. 2015, 80,000 miles. Now, one owner from new, 11 services. 10 of those services by the Land Rover mate dealer. One service just done here at Barclay Motor Company at 80,000 miles. Now, the Land Rover service history includes water pump cam belts at I think 58 or 60,000, and then after that transfer case oils, gearbox, automatic gearbox fluid replacement. So very 11 services, 80,000 miles, superb history. Price 10,995, MOT May 2027, matching Pirelli Scorpion tyres. Beautiful car. Okay, on the front park sensors, daytime LED running lights in the headlamps, or no, daytime lights in the headlamps, headlamp washers, front fogs, immaculate front end, not stone chipped or scuffed or anything. As I say, 4 matching Pirelli Scorpion tyres, paintwork this side, really nice. Black leather and cloth inside, heated seats. Okay, privacy glass, space saver spare wheel, rear park sensors, power tailgate. Pirelli Scorpion tyre, beautiful bodywork. Another Pirelli Scorpion tyre. Honestly, the front bumper, bonnet of this car, excellent condition, not stone chipped or tatty. Really nice inside as well. The air conditioning is, and climate control is freezing. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, Discovery Sport fitted mats from Land Rover, leather and cloth seats, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and paddle gear change, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, very cold climate control, electronic handbrake. Got your snow mode, winter mode, sports modes, comfort modes for your driving styles down there. In the back, fitted mats, heated rear seats. Got the buttons down there. Your heated rear seat buttons. Very nice in here. Load covers there for the boot area. The 7 seats are in the up position at the moment. As I say, it does have a space saver spare wheel, power tailgate, privacy glass. £10,995. One owner from new with 11 services with the cam belt done, power tailgate. Great car in lovely overall condition, nice and clean. Load covers there, press the button. 2 more Pirelli Scorpion tyres this side, bodywork, paintwork, nice, not dented or scratched or chipped in any way. Lovely tyres. This corner of this front bumper, immaculate, not stone chipped. There's the folding mirrors, electric windows. Got the fitted mat there too. Leather on the driver's seat, in good condition. Multifunction steering wheel, like you remember, 80,000 miles. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated front and rear seats. Very nice that. 10,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.